Hello students, welcome to class 7th maths on my YouTube channel. Now I will teach you arc of the circle and the types of arcs of the circle. What is called arc of the circle? Now look at this circle on textbook page number 77. Okay, this is chord AB. Okay, and if I break this chord, so this part of a circle is separated and this is the arc of a circle. The definition of the arc of a circle is any portion in the circumference of a circle. If I draw here small part of the circle, so this is arc. Okay, look here clearly. If I draw this small part of circle, it forms a arc. I will name it XY. The name of the arc is arc XY. Got it? Next one is types of arcs. There are three types of arcs: minor arc, major arc and semicircular arcs. Okay, look at this figure. Here chord AB is given. Okay, chord AB. So chord AB, arc AXB is smaller and is called minor arc. Why? Because from chord AB you have short distance to point X, and that's why it is minor arc. See, if I draw this circle here, if I draw this small portion of circle here to chord AB, it will get short distance, small part of arc of a circle. Okay, so arc AXB is minor arc. You can name 2 point also minor arc. Chord AB also is minor arc. It have a short distance over here in chord AXB. Okay, now arc AYB is bigger and is called the major arc. Arc AYB, from chord AB to point Y you have a long distance. So chord AB to point Y, see here long distance is coming. So arc AYB is bigger. Arc AYB is major arc. Okay, from here to here, see long distance is getting here, and in this arc you will get short distance. Arc AXB is minor arc. Arc AYB is major arc. Okay, next you have semicircular arcs. Now look here, semicircle. Other circle is drawn here. Now look at this protractor. This protractor is semicircular shape. Protractor is having semicircular type of circle. You don't have full type of circle in protractor. So it was not having fully drawn circle here on protractor instrument. So if I draw this diameter, segment RT is diameter. Diameter is the longest chord. And if I draw this line here, middle line segment on the circle, it divides into two equal part on the circle and we will get two semicircles. Okay, arc RYT and arc RXT are two semicircular arcs. Okay, if I keep this protractor here and opposite way, there are two semicircular arcs on this circle. Now look at this circle which I drawn here. Okay. If I keep this protractor on point O from 0 degree to 180 degree. Look here. The measure of a semicircular arc is 180 degree. On protractor instrument, you will have from 0 degree to 180 degree measure. Okay. 0 degree to 180 degree is straight angle that you studied in class 6. Okay. So measure of one semicircular arc is 180 degree. So write it over here. This is 180 degree. Okay. And down also you have to write here. The measure of a semicircular arc is 180 degree. Okay. If I place protractor on opposite way on point O from 0 degree to 180 degree, you have the same measure on protractor. Okay. From 0 degree to 180 degrees straight angle. Okay. So here also 180 degree. If the measure of a semicircular arc is 180 degree, then measure of two semicircular arc will be 360 degree. If you add 180 plus 180 degree, 360 degree is coming. The measure of a complete circle is 360 degree. Okay. In class 6 you studied complete angle measure. Complete angle measure is 360 degree. Then the measure of a complete circle is complete angle. So measure of a complete circle is 360 degree. Measure of one semicircular arc is 180 degree. Measure of two semicircular arc 180 plus 180 degree. Their sum is 360 degree. Okay. Now arc LAM, name it. You have to name the semicircular arcs over here. Arc LAM and arc LBM. Okay. Arc LAM is 180 degree. Arc LBM is 180 degree. You have to write here. Arc LAM is 180 degree. Here I gave you the reason. The measure of a semicircular arc is 180 degree. Arc LBM is 180 degree. Okay. If I measure on protractor instrument from 0 degree to 180 degree, here the measure of a semicircular arc is 180 degree. I told you the protractor is semicircular shape instrument, not complete circle instrument. Okay. If I keep two protractor, one on this way and one on opposite way, we will get two semicircular arc from 0 degree to 180 degree, and there are two sum. The measure of two semicircular arc is 360 degree. Okay. Here when you name the semicircle, arc LAM and arc LBM. Now if I draw this diameter on the circle, diameter is the middle line segment drawn on the circle and diameter is the longest chord. If I draw this diameter, it divides into two equal parts on the circle and it forms a semicircle. So this is called semicircle, half part of the circle. Okay. Arc LAM and arc LBM having the equal distance, so it forms a semicircle. Okay. Now I will add this. Arc LAM plus arc LBM. Okay. That is 180 degree plus 180 degree. Answer is 360 degree. Therefore, the sum of the measure of two semicircular arcs is 360 degree. Okay, got it? Look at the circle properly which I had drawn. Here on textbook page number 79 is given here. Measure of a semicircular arc is 180 degree. That I finished explaining. Now next part, central angle and the measure of an arc we'll do later on. Please subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.